How to fix Apple CarPlay not working after update iOS 18.4. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix Apple CarPlay not working after update iOS 18.4. So let's get started. On this process, at first you have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option general. So simply tap on the general. Alright, so simply from the general section, you'll have to go the option software update. Alright, so as you can see in the software update section, you will got options like iOS 18.4.1. So this features is recently has been published for the fixing the bug, security update, and address array issue that prevents wireless CarPlay connection in certain vehicles. So in this way, you can fix the problem like Apple CarPlay not working after update iOS 18.4. So from here, you can easily solve this problem. So Apple have recently provided this iOS 18.4.1 for the CarPlay feature. So in this way, you can solve that problem. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.